Everybody and a warm greeting to all. So I am Anu Priyanka of grade 10A and today we are going to see about the properties of acid and bases in the lesson the acid, base and the salt. So first we will see the properties of acid. So the first one is acid is in sour taste. So by tasting, if something is an edible thing, so if we taste and it is sour, then it is said to be acid. Second one, if we use litmus paper, acid turns blue litmus to red. So third property is acid solutions conducts electricity. So this is what the three common properties. Then if we see, then we can see the chemical properties of acid. So the first one in chemical, this is acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. That is metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen. So we will see an equation for that, that is zinc solid plus sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4 in aqueous sulfuric acid. So when we add zinc plus sulfuric acid, then it gives zinc sulfate ZnSO4 aqueous form plus hydrogen. It is in gas. So this shows that hydrogen is common in all acids because most of the acids reacts with metal to form salts and evolves in hydrogen gas. So next we will see fifth one, acid reacts with metal carbonate to form CO2 carbon dioxide gas. So that is metal carbonate plus an acid, any acid, gives us salt plus CO2 gas plus water. So if we can see another one example also for this, that is metal hydrogen carbonate. Not only metal carbonate, if we add metal hydrogen carbonate also, the same thing happens, plus acid gives us salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So we will see an example for this, that is NaCO3 solid, that is sodium carbonate plus 2HCl hydrochloric acid gives us, so this is in the form of acid, so this is in the form of metal. So then it gives us 2NaCl aqueous form, that is sodium carbonate plus CO2 carbon dioxide plus water H2O. So this is gas liquid. So this is what when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. This happens. So next we will see about acid reacts with base to form salt and water. So that is when acid reacts with base gives to form salt and water. Salt plus water. So this is from the heading we will be writing the observations. So we will see an example for this, that is sodium hydroxide. So that is NaOH aqueous form plus HCl. In this is also aqueous form, that is hydrochloric acid. So that is base reacts with acid or acid reacts with base. So we will be getting NaCl, sodium chloride. This is salt plus H2O, water. So this is what the equation we get. The last but not least in the acid is acid reacts with metal oxide to form salt and water. So we will be writing an observation from this, that is when acid reacts with metal oxide to form salt and water. So we will see one example for this, that is we will take copper oxide, CuS, so solid. Then this is a metal oxide, so we'll from this we'll react an hydrochloric acid, that is 2HCl. So to form, here we want to get salt and water, that is CuCl2 aqueous, that is copper chloride plus water, H2O. So this is the one of the example for the when the acid reacts with metal oxide to form salt and water. So next we will see about properties of base. So that is base have bitter taste. Then they feel soapy to touch. This is one. So the third one is that base turns red litmus to blue. So here the base conduct electricity only in solution. So next we will see the chemical properties of base. So that is fifth one as per the continuation of the number. So the base reacts with some metal to form hydrogen gas. So we will see an example for this. So we will take sodium hydroxide, 2NaCH, NOCH. It is in an aqueous form plus zinc. While we heat, we get sodium zincate. This is in the form of salt, Na2ZNO2. It is in aqueous form plus hydrogen gas. So, all the metals do not react with base to form salt and hydrogen gas. So, already I have been said here, when the base reacts with some metal, it forms the hydrogen gas. But here, we have been getting another one thing called salt, because all the bases doesn't get this result. So the sixth one is that the base reacts with acid to form salt and water. So here the base, we will write the formula here. So the base reacts with acid, gives us salt plus water. So we will see an example for this, that is sodium hydroxide. Again we are taking 2ANOH. It is in aqueous form. This is base plus sulfuric acid H2SO4. This is also an aqueous form. This is acid. So when a base reacts with an acid, it gives salt and water. That is a procedure. So it gives a salt in the form of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 aqueous plus 2H2O, because when we equate we will be having 2H2O. So this is one of the example for the base reacts with acid to form salt and water. So next we will see base reacts with non-metal to form salt and water. So here commonly the three chemical properties also, the outcome is like salt and water, and here salt and hydrogen. So this is what we get. So we will see this. So we will write the equation for this. So a non-metal oxide plus base we will get salt plus water. So we will see an example for this, that is CaOH2 is in aqueous form. So that is, it is base calcium hydroxide plus non-metallic acid. So that is carbon dioxide CO2 gas, gives us the calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus water H2O. So I hope you all have understand that the chemical properties of acid and bases. So thank you for lending your ears for this much time and hearing this. So thank you.